Hi, I'm Joe with Miniature Landscape Hobbies, and in this episode we're going to continue on from where we started last week, with my diorama made from junk. This week we're going to weather it and paint it. It's going to be a big project, so let's get to work. Miniature Landscape Hobbies is proudly supported by these sponsors. Last week, I started a terrain challenge project, building a diorama for the Machine & Krieger Ammonite model that I put together a couple weeks back. The challenge was given to me by Sarah Ann at Event Horizon Hobbies, and it dared me to make my build from recycled or repurposed leftover products from some of my previous builds. She also sent me a handy selection of scenic materials which I had to include as well. I'm happy to say that the construction went smoothly, and it resulted in a really cool diorama base to house my Mark 44 Ammonite model. But now it's time to really finish bringing the scene to life, with weathering and painting. So let's get started, because I plan on pulling out all the stops in order to make this the ultimate diorama. Please support us by subscribing on Patreon. Our subscribers receive a 5% discount on paint and building supplies from Torchlight Games, promotional products from Event Horizon Hobbies, free access to 3D print files, and a whole lot more. If you wish to make a one-time donation, click the button for Super Thanks. That's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. Please remember to subscribe, press the bell button so you get immediate notification on our videos, and until next time, remember to keep building life in miniature.